How to remove phone number from Facebook. So if you want to remove your phone number from Facebook, then open up your Facebook application and go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings and go with the account center option. Under account center, go with personal details. Under personal details, you need to go for the account info, and here you will have your emails that you've added or your phone numbers that you've added to your Facebook account. So if you want to remove a phone number or a contact, then what you need to do is simply go with that option. So for example, I don't have phone numbers, I'll be choosing mail. So tap on that phone number or mail, and then here on the left side you will have an option of delete phone number or delete mail. So tap on delete phone number and you'll be able to remove your phone number from your Facebook. So in this way you can remove your phone number, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.